How do you say good afternoon in Portuguese? The phrase good afternoon in Portuguese is boa tarde. Boa tarde. Boa tarde, senhor. Boa tarde, senhor. Good afternoon, sir. Desejo-lhe uma boa tarde. Desejo-lhe uma boa tarde. I wish you a good afternoon. The word tarde means afternoon, or it can also mean evening, and it's a feminine noun, so we say boa tarde. Boa tarde, tudo bem? Boa tarde, tudo bem? Good afternoon, all good? Boa tarde e até logo. Boa tarde e até logo. Good afternoon and see you later. Tenha uma boa tarde. Tenha uma boa tarde. Have a good afternoon. So if you want to say good afternoon in Portuguese, you can say boa tarde. And if you want to learn to speak Portuguese, you can get my course 3-Minute Portuguese by going to www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Obrigado.